Hello guys, so today we are going to study about SDLC model. So SDLC is a process followed for a software project within a software organization, and it consists of detailed plan describing how to develop, maintain, replace and alter or enhance specific software. The life cycle defines a methodology for improving the quality of software and the overall development process. So this is the following figure is a graphical representation of various stages of SDLC. Okay. So the first phase is the planning and requirement analysis phase. So requirement analysis, planning for quality assurance requirements and identification of the risk associated with the project is also done in planning stage. The outcome of the technical feasibility study is to define the various technical approaches that can be followed to implement the object successfully with minimum risk. Okay. Now defining requirement is the second stage. So once the requirement analysis is done, the next step is to clearly define and document the product requirement and get them approved from the customer or the market analysis. This is done through SRS document, which consists of all the product requirements to be designed and developed during the project life cycle. Now third phase is the designing and product architecture. So a design approach clearly defines all the architectural modules of the product along with its communication and data flow representation with the external and third party modules if any. The internal design of all the modules of the proposed architecture should be clearly defined with the minutes of the details in DDS. The fourth stage is building or developing the product. Developers must follow the coding guidelines defined by their organization, and programming tools like compilers, interpreters, debuggers, etc. are used to generate the code. Different high-level programming languages such as C, C++, Pascal, Java and PHP are used for coding. The programming languages is chosen with respect to the type of software being developed. Fifth stage is the testing of the product. This stage is usually a subset of all the stages, as in the modern SDLC model. The testing activities are mostly involved in all the stages of SDLC. However, this stage refers to the testing only stage of the product, where product defects are reported, tracked, fixed and retested until the product reaches the quality standard defined in the SRS. Now sixth stage is deployment in the market and maintenance. Okay, so once the product is tested and ready to deploy, it is released formally in the appropriate market. Sometimes product deployment happens in stage as per the business strategy of that organization, and the product may first be released in the limited segment and tested in the real business environment. Then based on feedback, the product may be released as it is on with suggested enhancement in the targeting marketing segment. After the product is released in the market, its maintenance is done for the existing customer base. Thank you. This is Shubhi from section 6C, Computer Science.